Hi everyone, I'm Michelle O'Connor and welcome to my channel. We are going to be talking today about how to build a website with low or no tech experience. Listen, I'm the girl. If it's more than one clicks, I cannot do it. But I'm going to show you how you can use Lovable to get this done. So we're going to jump right into it. Now, the first thing is, if you are new here, I'm a business growth strategist. I help women who are over 40 to build and grow their business with low no burnout. So I'm the planning girl. So the first thing I want to share with you is that last week, Saturday, I was thinking of building a website for an offer that I had, and it took me 2 hours, but there were many other things I had to do. I dropped the process in a group that I'm in, and I realized that based on the comments, there are 57 comments and over 133 impressions, there's a space where persons want to know how to do this. And I thought that I would come on and share with you. So the first thing that I want you to do is, if you are not familiar with Lovable, this is the app that we're going to be using, the AI tool that we're going to be using to build our website today. Let's go. It's Lovable. So I want you to use this app. This is the tool that we're going to be using. The first thing I want to share with you is before you jump into using any of these AI tools, I want you to be very clear on what it is that you want from it. Why am I saying that? Lots of these tools and these applications offer a free version. However, you get credits that you can use for the day with these free versions. And if you keep making edits, you run out of credit. And I really do encourage you to test it before you decide that you want to go ahead and pay, because there are many tools that can do many things and you don't know which one you're going to be comfortable with. I encourage persons, plan what you want to do. So for this example, so I can show you what you are going to be doing, we're going to be using ChatGPT, going to be using Lovable, my calendar, and I'm going to upload a document. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go over to chat, and we're going to say to chat what it is that we want to achieve today. Hey chat, I wrote an ebook that I want to share with a few persons for free. However, what I also want to do is to talk a little bit about what I offer in terms of business planning services. And then I want to ask them to book a consultation call with me. And I'm going to be attaching my ebook so they can download for free. Can you help me to prepare a layout for Lovable? I'm going to be using Lovable to build this landing page for me. Can you give me that layout so I can copy and paste in Lovable, please? Thank you. While chat is doing that for us, I am going to be just sharing something with you. Ensure that you have like all your links. If you have specific colors that you want to use, have that documented somewhere, or you can say to chats, or you can tell Lovable, I'm going to show you how to do that as well. If you have photos that you want to use, if you want to attach maybe your social links, you name it, have those together so you can give it to Lovable so it can get it done for you, right? So let's go back and see how far chat is. If it has given us the layout that we want, so we can just copy and paste into Lovable. Here we go. And this is the part, guys, that makes the end result very easy, because you would have thought through all the things that you want. Open a Google Docs or a Word doc. So it's saying, absolutely, Michelle, here's a clean copy and paste, free workbook for women CEO, call to action, book a consultation. Okay. Now, it's giving me this format, hero, because of how I've trained my chat. The thing about it is I train my chat to use a format from, there's a book that I have, Building a Story Brand. And the thing is, I love how it flows. It's both Building a Story Brand and Business Made Simple by Donald Miller. I love how it flows in terms of your messaging, and that's what I use. So it has given me the framework, who is it for, about Michelle, my social proof, where I'm located, how I can help. It's given me a lot of things. More than I asked, header, footer, thank you. If you want, I can tailor a copy to match a specific ebook title. I can say, no thanks, I can use this for Lovable, because we want to jump over to Lovable and get things rolling. Here we go, about section. All right, so it's giving me a lot of things, but whatever chat gives you anything, I really do encourage you to go in and read, go in and make sure that it works for you. I'm just going to copy and paste because I want to just show you how that can work. It's telling me the image that I should use, the about section. It's giving me just about everything that I need. So for this example, I'm going to copy and I'm going over to Lovable and I'm going to paste it here. So here's the other thing. I already have my calendar link because it was in chat already. If you don't, I would encourage you where it says book a consultation. I want you to drop your link there. I also am going to attach a copy of my ebook. So let me go to my Google Drive. This is the ebook that I want to attach. I also have my color scheme. I could also attach that, Lovable has as much information about what I want to do as possible. I'm going to say, can you design a web page for me? I want to promote my business consultancy services. I also want to give away a free copy of my ebook. Please use my image attached and the color booklet. And I just press enter. Your instruction can be way simpler. I just give it the instructions and it's spinning up, it's thinking, it's getting things done. But while it does this, what I want to remind you is the planning part of it is what gives you what you want. There are many other things you could do. You could simply say, you know what, this is a website that I like. Please use the same format. But I want to show you how easily you can get this done. If you wanted persons to download your book and maybe get onto your mailing list and you have a CRM tool that you use, you could copy that link for the sign up form and you can drop it into Lovable and it could get it done for you. Let me share with you another web page that I was able to create, and did this in less than 2 hours, guys. I know it's possible. This is the site that I created in Lovable. Look at that. I have already had 254 visitors. I did not even check that. And this Saturday night, I had the idea about 9 o'clock and was able to execute. I would say to persons, you can book my services to do business plans for you that you can hand over to grants for your grant applications. I uploaded my picture. It gave me this, who needs it. These are the people I'm targeting. There are 3 plans that you can select. It did all of this for me in one go. So I want to say it took me that amount of time because I went in and I created the payment links to go with it as well. If you click here, it takes you to the payment link. You click here, purchase now, it takes you to another payment link. And then for this plan, I want persons to have a conversation with me. So if they click there, it goes to my Calendly. I had to put all of those things together. During the process, I thought to myself, what if persons aren't sure, about me, who I am? I want to be able to give them something else. Then I said, not sure where to start. Let's make it easy. I have a free ebook that you can download. This free ebook this is not an ebook, it's a business plan checklist. So if you're writing your business plan by yourself, this is a checklist. And I also did a video that when you click here, it takes you to YouTube. And I'm reminding them it's 3 simple steps. They're able to see. I think that sound is that it's ready. Meet Michelle. This is who I am. These are the things I've been able to do. That's me at a workshop, testimonials, ready to get your business funded, book your consultation, and I have my social links. So I was able to do that all in, I just gave it instructions in one location. So let us go and see if our new website is ready. Let me see. I hope you're with me. And if it's making sense, drop a comment in the chat and let me know. All right. So this is what it has created. Free business planning workbook for women CEO. If you click here, let me see what happens. Oh, wow. It's even smarter than I am. It's asking persons to give me their name, their email address so they can go on my mailing list before they download the ebook. Can you imagine that? I didn't even ask it to do that. When you click here, you notice it took you directly to the section for you to enter your details. Book consultation is going right to my Calendly link for person to select their time. It's even saying no credit card required, instant download. This is amazing. The only thing I would change, I would then say to it, please use the cover of my ebook and not this random ebook. I would also ask it to center the information that's here. Inside a simple framework, I'm good with that. This workbook is for you if I'm good with that. That's my picture. I am Michelle. This is who I am. I do my services. Okay. Steps to follow: download the ebook, complete the quick starter pages, and book a consultation. What more do you want? And you can go in, guys, you can edit. How do I get the ebook? Enter your name. All of this is there. All of this. Who I am, services, you name it. You'll receive, and it's saying you'll receive it in your email. So this is a website that was done. And if we wanted to edit it, we could go in and edit and ask it to, can you, or let me do this. Thank you so much. Can you center the heading Free Business Planning Workbook for Women CEOs? Can you center that heading? Also, I want you to use the cover of my ebook as what the ebook looks like. I also don't like how the book looks. It doesn't look like a full 3D version. So if you can change that. Um, I would also do is I would also have the ebook maybe on the left. And if persons are going to be entering their information, I would prefer for that to be on the right of the ebook so they don't have to scroll too far to be able to access that. Thanks. I'm giving it some more instructions because I want what I want, right? Um, I wanted to, I could attach, I have a 3D copy of the book that I could also upload and ask it to change for me. But it's showing you what you can do and that you treat AI and treat the tools that you're working with like your assistant, a human being. You're giving them very clear instructions, you're giving them information that they can utilize and they can go ahead and work with. I think sometimes whenever we're working with AI, one of the mistakes that we make is we believe that we can just speak to it any which way and it's supposed to figure out what we want. So right here you can see it has centered the title of the page already. It's still working here and it will go in and make the changes. We don't have to stick around for all of that, but it will go in and make the changes. And if it did make the change and I don't like it, I can always ask it to change. So I hope this was very helpful for you guys. I said the main thing is the planning. And once you log into Lovable, it's there. You don't need to click anywhere. That comment box is where you're dropping all your information, and then you go in and you continue to edit and make. And remember, if you're using the free version, make sure you do a lot of work on the planning side. Get everything together. All the links, all the documents, the colors. If you have examples of websites that you want to use, you can also utilize those. Because if you're using a free version, you only have a certain number of credits. I hope this helped you. And you're done. Let's quickly wrap up and I can show you once you're done. It's okay. There you go. It's still making changes. I think it could be a little bit different, but it's fine. I just wanted to show you. You can go in and make your reference. Once you're finished, you hit publish right here. And once you hit publish, and your workbook hub, you would copy this and you drop the link wherever you want to drop it and share. Go ahead and share. I hope this helped you guys. And thank you for your interaction. If there's anything else that you want to know about how to use Lovable, go ahead and ask, and I'll be more than happy to assist. Bye.